will mesmerize us with your bowling this season. That's a fantastic shot from Shakib Al Hasan. Now, a lot of people here were asking us yesterday, where is Shakib? Because a lot of you wanted to see him in action for a very long time, just like all of us. Seeing him back in purple and gold, that's going to just take us a little bit more time. 11th April, our first game, sometime after that, during our campaign. For sure, you'll see Shakib in purple and gold, but till then, he's here, practicing. And on the nets, right after that is someone who's very, very popular among our KKR fans as well, Mr. Nitish Rana. You can see some more comments coming in. Karthik Raj Rathore is asking, Bhaji kaha pe hai? Harbhajan Singh is also here. That's good news for all of you guys. Let's show you where he is. He's here. He was bowling all this while on the second nets, on the spinners nets, but he's taking a bit of a break right now, as you can see. Acclimatizing with the situation is also very important. As you know, we are approaching summer in Kolkata, and rest of India. We are in Mumbai, of course. Sometimes it's so hard for even us to think that we are not going to be in Kolkata this year. মুখ থেকে কলকাতা বেরিয়ে যায়, মানে এমনভাবে আমাদের 2019 অবধি যখন ম্যাচেস হতো ইডেন গার্ডেন্সে, আমাদের সব ফ্যান্সদের জন্য আমরা ওয়েট করতাম. বাট ইটস ওকে, ইভেন ইফ উই আর নট playing our games in Kolkata this year, we know that you're going to send us all your love and support from wherever you're watching. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this KKR fan cam session, let me know in comments. आप लोग क्या देखना चाहते हो? कोई special nights है जिनके बारे में आपको जानना है, वो कहाँ है? A lot of people asking where is Russell. So the guys who played yesterday's first practice match, if you did not see that live, you can head over to our Facebook page. The whole match is almost there. So the guys who played the match yesterday, they are not here today. They're taking a day off. But we have 4 of our knights who didn't play the game. Shakib, Nitish, Harbhajan Singh, and we also have Owen Morgan, who's just entered the dressing room. He'll be here soon. We'll hopefully be able to give you a glimpse of that as well. Attitude Master बोल रहे शाकिब को थोड़ा सामने से दिखाओ प्लीज. भाई साहब, मैं सामने तो चला जाऊंगा, but then the danger of getting hit by the ball. I'm only using a phone to show you this, so I'll try to give you a closer look. Let's see as good as I can do. Right, there you go. There you see Vaibhav telling you he's on rest today. He bowled very well yesterday in the practice games. If you want to go and watch him bowling at the likes of Andre Russell and other experienced players, you can do that when you head to our Facebook page. So for now, here on your screen, shot from Shakib Al Hasan. Some of our net bowlers all helping out at the nets today because it's a light day at training. Gonna go on for another maybe 1 hour or so maybe. Right, I can see more messages coming in. Pawan Kumar, Sajid Malik, Arhamana, Shahid Hussain, Shanu, Shakirul. Welcome all you guys. I was asking me to zoom. Okay, let me try that. If that helps. There you go, a better angle. So I'm also safe, staying a little far, maintaining my social distance, and showing you. The footage might get a little pixelated because you need to understand this is obviously coming to you via a mobile phone, and also the nets makes it even more pixelated in the post, as I've seen later. But anyway, here you go. Alright guys, what else do you have to say? Throw in some comments, throw in some suggestions, what all you want to see. Okay guys, who are asking where is Pat Cummins? Yes, there you go. Oscar Gonzalez has given you the answer. He is quarantining in Chennai, and he will join us when we reach Chennai for our first game very soon. It should be we'll keep you updated on when the team is traveling and where. Our first game is in Chennai, as you know. We're playing Sunrisers Hyderabad on the 11th of April. We're all very excited about that game, as all of you are. All right, I can see one very interesting comment here. Himanshu Yadav saying it's a left-hand batsman day. Absolutely. Isn't that an absolute treat to watch two stylish left-handers? There you go. Signature Shakib Al Hasan shot. ইন্দ্রনীল বলছে ও দাদা আমার কমেন্টটা দেখো না দেখলাম তোমার কমেন্টটা থ্যাংক ইউ ফর জয়নিং আস কোথা থেকে জয়েন করছো আমাদের জানাও কলকাতা বেঙ্গল বাংলাদেশ বা অন্য কোথাও অন্য প্রান্তে somewhere in the world let us know wherever you're logging in from we know our KKR fans are all over the world aren't you so more questions Shasi Stent is asking about Kuldeep Suhail Shah is asking me to speak in Hindi now भाई साहब हिंदी बोल ले ज़रूर तो आप में से जितने लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि कुलदीप कहाँ है सो कुलदीप यादव पैट कमिंस एंड लॉकी फर्गसन आर गोइंग टू जॉइन अस इन चेन्नई वो लोग सीधा अपने जहाँ पे भी इससे पहले थे जैसे कुलदीप अपने घर गए थे और वहाँ से आने वाले हैं स्ट्रेट ही इज़ इनफैक्ट क्वारंटाइनिंग राइट नाउ इन चेन्नई this is day 3 if I'm not wrong and by the time we reach Chennai he'll be out and he'll be linking up with us straight in Chennai similarly with Lockie Ferguson as you know he was playing Bangladesh in the T20 series तो वो भी अभी न्यूजीलैंड से इंडिया पहुँचे from what we know he's quarantining in Chennai and we'll be seeing him there as well same with Pat Cummins he has been there for I think a day longer so he should be out of quarantine in a few days as well if all goes well so yeah looking forward to meeting those 3 nights meanwhile all the others are here in Mumbai gearing up a little bit before we head to Chennai Shaji bolchen Chattogram Bangladesh theke welcome Zaid asking who will be the opening pair you tell us let's see what you guys think who should be the opening pair for KKR this season in IPL 2021 we have lots of options as you guys know we have obviously Shubman Gill the likes of Rahul Tripathi Karun Nair Nitish has opened the batting Tim Seifert can open lots of options Venkatesh Iyer a new night is known for his big hits in the power play overs so you guys tell me who do you think should be the 2 batsmen opening for KKR this season 2 excellent shots right there by the way Razi Rahman asking why you guys practicing in Mumbai when your first 3 matches are in Chennai good question but this is where we have all been camping for a while the players came in here straight to get some days of practice in before we can head to Chennai obviously this is the DY Patil Stadium which is a beautiful facility they've been very supportive to KKR and provided us with all the facilities and amenities that we need for world class practice sessions like these so yeah all right looks like today's session is over for Shakib it's a short day of practice like I said earlier I hope you guys had fun looking at him bat there he goes thanking what a gentleman thanking all everyone who's been helping out most of the boys at KKR that's a special thing isn't it everyone's humble down to earth no matter how big a star they are even the other day someone of the likes of okay let's show you speaking of legends let's show you a couple of legends after a couple of deliveries to Nitish Rana all right there you go this is going to be a sight that you would love to see 2 legends Harbhajan Singh and Brendan McCullum discussing strategies isn't that like absolute gold a lot of us have grown up watching these 2 legends on TV when India played New Zealand but the beauty of the IPL is that now you see them on the same side now you see them on the same dressing room one coach one player absolute legends so there's no shortage there you go that's Shakib and David Hussey talking to each other they've also played a lot against each other when Australia probably played Bangladesh and several other franchisee leagues that they play in far across for all of you asking where Captain Morgan is there he is at the dugout All right, back to the action. Let's show you some batting of Nitish Rana. Of course, Nitish has had a few days extra in quarantine, as you must have seen in the video we shared after a tryst with getting the COVID virus. He got his negative results and he's been feeling fine. He's been feeling really well, really good in fact. As you can see, he's batting right here. Stylish as ever. What a shot. So looks like he's done as well. So guess who's the next one coming in to bat? We have to show you this from close quarters. Alright guys, keep sending your messages. We can see Bumba, Simran, Sheikh Shoaib, Mohammad Umar, all of your comments coming in. There you go, Nitish Rana having a chat with Brendan McCullum. Keep sending us your messages, all of you. Samir, Akash, Rohan, Saintan, Ayush Jaiswal, Shavik, Riki Shah. We're just waiting for the next batsman to enter the nets. We're going to show you that very soon. Sujal Kadam, Harish Reddy, KKR Purple Army, Ravi Sandhu, Nishan, Six Face, Mohammad Zaid. Welcome everyone. There you go, that's Shakib, who you just saw batting just a while ago. There's a beautiful stadium just by the way, DY Patil in Mumbai. Alright, here you go. Moment you all been waiting for. You saw him bowling just a while ago. Now you're going to see him take guard, practice a bit of batting.